Hello, so I will be going over the option A one, the summarizing with synonyms and sequencing. So I picked forecast and severe weather just because I was already on that topic for assignment one, so this is assignment two, so I just did that with that. Some materials, I have a lot of materials, like a video, an article, uh, the handout example and the spreadsheet handout, the vocabulary words, and the sequencing cutouts that go with the article. Um, yeah, so you can read that, but I'll go over the activities. So I was doing severe weather and what to do. You can see the objectives. So the introduction, this is just to get them to see what they already know. It's a fun way to kind of interact and get them to open up and with new vocabulary. Also touching on synonyms and sequencing and how that works, which will go into the severe weather. So this activity, it will help the students understand synonyms and build their vocabulary, setting them up for their own forecast. This is playing the video. This is deals with integrating skills, the listening aspect, while dealing with the like just kind of summarizing the video, just playing with it verbally while they can speak and say what they think it's about and what happened and stuff like that, just to verbally get it out there. Then give them the list of vocabulary words, have them look up together some synonyms and descriptions of the word, go over together, make sure students understand. That's just, technical. Then we have the article. This goes into the reading as the skill. They'll read the article. Then they will have to sequence based from the article. This will allow them to summarize using that way and be able to tell why sequencing is important, and when to do it, like how to do it. I think that group work is really a necessity. Have them get together and go over survival skills. I think this is important because this could help them in real life situations. And then have them write, of course. So this will go into a little bit of the writing, but then we have the creating their own forecast. So this really deals with kind of a lot of it. So they'll be able to they're going to write their own forecast, creating it, and they're going to speak and act out their own forecast, and then have the other students be listening and being able to answer with summarizing and sequencing and everything that we were doing. This puts it all together, uses all those skills. I think it's very communicative in that aspect as well. Then going over any questions. I think this extra classwork we probably won't have time because these probably take a long time depending on how many students you have, but this is kind of fun. You can say like a term and then they can just shoot it out. That way it becomes, kind of like a quick process so that they know, the terms more carefully and stuff. So I think this is very communicative, especially this last part, creating their own forecast and being able to say it out, present it, and then have them produce their own summaries based on the presented work and stuff like that. So thank you.